The ConduDisc has a conductive surround which
has a low permeability to water.
I know that.
Preventing corrosion.
I know that.
Hi, I'm Rylan Boyd, Field Engineering Operations at SAE Inc.
And I'm Caitlin Hughes, Research and Development Coordinator. And today, we're going to answer some of your burning questions about the ConduDisc utility pole ground plate.
Alright, let's begin. Caitlin, how many ground rods is one ConduDisc equivalent to?
The ConduDisc is equivalent to one 3/4 inch, 10-foot long ground rod. How long does the ConduDisc last compared to a ground rod?
The ConduDisc will last the life of your utility pole, significantly outlasting a ground rod which requires replacement or maintenance over its life. How long does it take to install the ConduDisc?
2 minutes. For more information, refer to our installation video. Why is the ConduDisc corrosion proof?
The ConduDisc is corrosion proof due to its conductive polymer surround that has a very low permeability to water, preventing corrosion. Can the ConduDisc be reused?
Yes, it's attached to the utility pole with the supplied lag screw, so it can be reused. Why is the ConduDisc easier to install than a ground rod?
ConduDisc is easier to install because it doesn't require any additional locates. It's simply lagged to the bottom of the pole and does not require any driving like that of a typical ground rod. Do we need a maintenance program for the ConduDisc?
No, the ConduDisc is a one and done solution. No maintenance is required. Can I use the ConduDisc everywhere?
Yes, anytime you put a utility pole in the ground, you can use the ConduDisc. Does the ConduDisc have a top or bottom?
No, in the field it can be installed either way. Does the ConduDisc come in assorted sizes?
No, the ConduDisc comes in one size that fits all utility poles. It does, however, come with a variety of different wire gauges and lengths. Should we use the ConduDisc on every utility pole?
Yes, we recommend that you install a ConduDisc on every utility pole. Why should I use the ConduDisc instead of a ground rod?
Well, ground rods generally require additional locates and lots of time pounding them into the ground. A ConduDisc can simply be installed as it is corrosion proof, maintenance free, lasts the life of your system, and ensures reliable equipment. Can the ConduDisc be attached to composite or steel poles?
Yes, it can. It can be attached to any type of utility pole. Does the ConduDisc have to be attached to the bottom of the pole?
No, it can be installed in the hole first and backfilled with native soil. This means you get the most out of your ConduDisc. Then you can install the pole on top. Does the ConduDisc also require an SAE backfill material?
In short, no, but in high resistivity soils, it's beneficial to use our backfill's ConduCrete or ConduFlow to improve your grounding. How do you know that you have an effective ground with the ConduDisc?
You can measure the resistance to ground of the ConduDisc using a handheld device. How heavy is the ConduDisc?
With a 12-foot wire, the ConduDisc weighs as little as 22 pounds, but with a longer wire, it can weigh as much as 45 pounds. That's all right.
Perfect, Caitlin.
What is the ConduDisc?
The ConduDisc is a utility pole ground plate designed to replace ground rods as it is corrosion proof and can last the life of your system. What size and length of wire come on the ConduDisc?
The ConduDisc can be manufactured with any gauge and length of wire required by the utility.
And there you have it, folks. We hope you found this video very insightful. If you have any additional questions or comments, please send us an email at info@saeinc.com.
And remember, SAE, it can be done.